Hi everyone, we live in a world where even the most basic necessities, like the fuel in our cars, can become source of public distrust. Specifically, in Jabodetabek, the recent allegation of fuel adulteration and corruption surrounding Pertamina, a dominant competitor, have cast a long shadow over the industry. Today, I'm Stephanie Bella Saputri from Pelita Harapan University, and I'm here to show you how our research uncovers Shell's powerful strategy to full trust and ignite loyalty, transforming this crisis into a significant opportunity for market leadership. Let's confront the elephant in the room. In Jabodetabek, the fuel industry has been rocked by recent controversies. We are talking about serious allegations of fuel adulterations or oplosan, and even corruptions directly implicating a dominant market player in Indonesia like Pertamina. This isn't just news, it's a fundamental crisis of trust that has left consumers questioning the very integrity of what they put into their vehicles. But where there is no crisis, there is also opportunity. This brings us to our core research questions in an environment where trust is shattered. How does Shell, a brand synonymous with global quality, manage to build not just satisfied customers, but truly loyal advocates? We investigate how customer perception of Shell quality, value, identification, trust, and image directly fit into their satisfaction, ultimately driving that crucial loyalty. This model is our lens into that critical dynamic. Next, to navigate this complex landscape, we adopt a quantitative research design driven by data. Our analytical engine was PLSSEM, perfect for uncovering the predictive relationship in our model. We collect data from 400 Shell consumers through a carefully crafted questionnaires. Our initial findings were compelling. Shell consistently garners high positive perception across quality, trust, image, satisfaction, and loyalty. Interestingly, brand identifications show a more moderate score, suggesting a unique facet of consumer connections that warranted deeper explorations. Now for the core of empirical insight, the measurement model. Look at this heat map of our outer loadings. While most indicators load strongly, we made a very deliberate and I argue a critical strategic decisions. We retain all indicators, even those with statistically lower loadings such as perceived quality 3 at 0.3 368 and brain trust 3 at 0.436 and customer satisfaction 3 at 0.322. Why? Because these indicators, though statistically weaker, are fundamentally important for a complete theoretical understanding of our construct. We choose conceptual richness over perimeter data reduction, ensuring our model truly represents how consumers perceive these dimensions. And the good news, despite this, our construct remains incredibly robust, with all composite reliabilities above 0.8 and AVE above 0.5. But the real revelations comes from discriminant validity, specifically the HTMT criterion we made for value below 0.85, and here we found major victories. Look at the HTMT between perceived quality and perceived value, a clean 0.840. This proof consumer clearly differentiate what they perceive as quality versus what they perceive as value for money. And brand identification is truly unique. Its HTMT with all other constructs are remarkably low. This validates in its distinct conceptual space. Now, let's address what some might see as a challenge: the very high HTMT among brand trust, brand image, customer satisfactions, and brand loyalty. Look at customer satisfactions to brand loyalty at 0.990. But this is not a limitation, it's a powerful insight. It tells us that for Shell customer, these are not separate, isolated concepts. Instead, they form a core brand nexus, a deeply integrated holistic perceptions. In a market where competitor integrity is questioned, Shell's success lies in this cohesive, unified positive experience that translate into unwavering trust, image, satisfaction, and ultimately loyalty. It's a testament to the seamless positive relationship Shell built with its customer. Finally, let's look at the ultimate impact or research, the pathways to loyalty and what this means for the future. Our structural models show exceptional predictive power is explained a staggering 89.3% of customer satisfaction and an incredible 90.2% of brand loyalty. These are remarkably high figures, this demonstrating that our model truly captures the essence of what drives loyalty for Shell. Our conclusions are clear. Perceived quality, value, trust, and brand image are critical, fundamental drivers of customer satisfaction for Shell. And customer satisfaction, in turn, is the most powerful and influential bridge to brand loyalty. While brand identification also plays a significant role, it's a more nuanced dimension of the relations. So, what are the actionable insights for Shell? Especially as we see the trust crisis in unfolding around competitors like Pertamina. First, says the moment. Shell must relentlessly reinforce its unwavering commitment to quality, value, and transparency. This is your competitive differentiations. Be the clear beacon of the integrity in a cloudy market. Second, experience-centric growth. Invest continuously in optimizing the entire customer's experience. Every interaction, every touch point is an opportunity to maximize satisfaction and solidify loyalty. And third, cultivate deeper bonds. Go beyond the transactions. Explore strategies to foster that emotional personal identification with the Shell brands. This builds true resilience in your customer base for the long term. Looking ahead, our study, while robust, open doors for future research. We recommend longitudinal studies to capture the dynamic shift in trust and loyalty in volatile markets. Further research is needed to fully deconstruct that core brand nexus of trust, image, satisfaction, and loyalty, perhaps exploring higher order contracts, and finally, validating this insight in diverse global context will enrich our understanding of brand loyalty amidst crisis worldwide. Thank you for your time and for engaging in this critical discussion. I truly believe our findings offer a vital roadmap for navigating the future of brand trust. I welcome any question you may have. Let's navigate the future of brand trust together. Thank you.